Okay, and Anna, do you prefer Anna or Anna Carolina?
Whatever. Which
Okay,
one? Okay.
okay, I don't mind either really. Um, and Anna Carolina, what did you do today?
I went to my work and I also studied.
You went,
What else? I worked and I studied all day long.
nice, yeah. Cool. We would say I went to work, or I went to my job.
Sorry. Okay.
Okay, yeah,
I
don't
went
be sorry at all.
to work.
Okay, good.
All
Um,
right.
all right, and yeah, we've got a little bit of time before my class gets ready, so it's coming up. But Ana Carolina, what do you like to do in your free time?
I love wakeboarding. I
Wakeboarding.
have a soft, yes, I have a soft spot for activities in the ocean, is, such as snorkeling, sailing,
Okay,
paddleboarding.
nice. Okay, those are all really fun. I like snorkeling a lot. Um,
Me too. I
uh,
live in Angra dos Reis. It's a small town by the ocean, which has 365 islands, one more beautiful than the other. And there is
wow.
a, yes, the water is crystal clear, and there is an island here called Caras, where you can see celebrities. Uh,
Very
the owners are a magazine called Caras, and it has a castle there.
wow. That's crazy. That sounds really cool, though. Sounds really pretty. Giulietta, welcome to class. I'm sorry about the late start. How are you doing, Giulietta?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Okay. And yeah, so what happened was that I was applying updates to my computer, and they just didn't stop. So I couldn't go home because my internet at home is bad, and I don't have any other devices to let you guys know what's going on. So I was just waiting here, waiting for my computer to finish updating, and it didn't ever
Hmm.
happen. So, anyways, I'm really sorry about that.
I'm sorry.
Ah.
Okay.
Okay, well, thanks. Um, all right, and yeah, Giulietta, what did you do today?
I I had started this project about this factory, and then I was watching video on YouTube about how to make cable wires.
Hmm, cool. That sounds interesting. All right.
Yes.
Um, all right, nice. And all right, let's get started with today's class. A little bit. And can you read that?
Okay, math. Today we will not do any math problems. Talk about math.
Good. Okay.
I
And
heard the cables war.
cables?
Wires.
Yeah, like
Oh,
wires.
wires. Okay, thank you.
Um, but good. And yeah, let's go to the first page. And so, Ana Carolina, can you ask Giulietta the first question?
Julieta, do you like math? Why or why not?
I think I like math. Uh, why? Mm, it's a powerful way uh, to find solutions.
Okay, yeah, it's a powerful way to find solutions, to answer problems. What about you, Ana Carolina?
Yes, I like it because it's very important. But I have to confess that it's not my cup of tea. I like it. Sorry, I forget the subject. I
That's
forgot the
okay.
subject.
Not a
Sorry,
problem.
sorry, sorry.
I think you apologize more than I do. But no, it's not a problem at all. That's good. You did a really good job with the correction. Um, okay. And yeah, I guess Julieta, do you have a favorite or least favorite type of math? I think you said you like geometry.
Yes, I like geometry.
Do you have a least favorite?
Yes, when you do, uh, I don't know, it is called series maybe?
Series.
Yes,
Okay.
it's like uh, an addiction of infinity number of elements.
An infinite number of elements, maybe?
See, yes,
It's an addition or an addiction
addition.
of an infinite number of elements. Nice, yeah. Series are unpleasant. What about you, Anna Carolina? Do you have a favorite or a least favorite type of math?
Okay, I like IQ tests.
You
Um,
like what?
Logical. I'm not sure if I would say it. My gosh, if I could say it this way. Um, when you measure your intelligence by answering
Ah,
logical problems, problems of logical, you know, my gosh, you have to
uh-huh.
figure out the sequence, things like that.
Okay.
And I hate vectors.
You hate what?
Vectors.
I'm sorry about my
Vectors.
pronunciation, vectors.
Don't be sorry. Okay, I hate
Because I've
vectors.
been trying to pronounce it well. My gosh.
No worries. You're doing a good job. Um, yeah, you're doing a really good job. Sometimes I just have trouble hearing. IQ tests. IQ. Can you repeat IQ?
IQ,
Hmm.
IQ.
Yeah.
I said
Perfect.
IQ tests
Y-
before.
Yeah, I'm just like I said. Sometimes
I
it's hard
I
to
like
listen.
to figure out the sequence of numbers to solve puzzles like Sudoku. You know that kind of puzzle.
Yeah. Cool. Really, really nice answer. And Val, welcome to class. Val, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Nice. And Val, where are you from?
I'm from Brazil.
From Brazil. Okay, good. It's nice to meet you and welcome to class. Sorry about the late start. This doesn't happen very often. I've just been having a few computer problems today. Um,
Okay.
and Val, do you like math?
Yes, I like it a lot.
Okay, nice. What types of math do you like?
I guess I like math mostly because I'm good at it.
Okay. Are you good at a certain subject in math, like algebra or geometry or calculus or vectors or doing series or Sudoku or puzzles? What types of math do you like?
I like calculus very much, and geometry is challenging for me, but I like it the same way.
Okay, nice. I like it the same way. Good. Okay. And let's go on to the next page. And let's have Ana Carolina. Can you read the title and the words?
Okay, vocabulary. Plus, minus, times, divided by, problem, percent, numerator, denominator, fractions. This, I don't know how to pronounce. The decimal, decimal. Oh my gosh, I don't
Decimal.
know. Decimal,
Decimal.
decimal, calculate, exponent, exponential,
Good. Maybe the only small things, exponent.
exponent,
You did a good job with
exponential,
yeah, exponential. And then numerator.
numerator.
Yeah, and you did a good job with denominator. Uh, okay. Does anybody have any questions about any of these words? Any questions?
it's not about the word, but I want to know what is the name of decimals.
What are decimals called?
Mm-hmm.
Well, we have a decimal point. A decimal is like it's a fraction that's been solved. I'm not sure what you mean.
After the point, there are ciphers, maybe. What is the name of that? I think I can tell you with when you have numbers after the point, what is the name of the digits after
Okay.
the point?
So we
Okay.
have like tenths, hundredths, and thousandths.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
And so in front are units and tens, hundreds, thousands. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. Really good question. Yeah, I hope that's what you were asking. Okay, and any other questions? Okay. Let's have Val. Can you use exponential in a sentence?
Explanation stuff. I'm thinking. I know what does it mean, but I'm not sure if I can use it in a sentence.
I know what it means.
I know what it means.
Yeah.
Okay. 2 explanation 2 is equal 4, something like that. I'm not very sure.
Yeah. We could say a couple things. 2 to the second power. 2 squared is 4. 2 to the second power is 4. Exponential is a little bit different if we're using it in context. You're right, that's what it is. That's an exponent. An exponent is the number, I guess, that you put to square something or to multiply something by its power. Yeah. Again, maybe Giulietta, do you think you could use exponential in a sentence?
Exponential. The exponential function in the graph represents the population.
Okay, in the graph represents the population. That's good. One thing with exponential, it's really common in everyday language. So we could say something like markets have been, I mean, you could even say exponentially rising, or markets have been hit with an exponential. You could say something like that too. So you can talk about something that goes up really quickly or down really quickly. And so it's something that's not quite math related. Obviously, it's talking about something mathematical. So it's any rate that goes up in this rapidly increasing way. It would be exponential. You could say it is hyperbole, so exaggeration. You've gotten exponentially bigger over the past year. But yeah, it is one of those words that we do use in common everyday speech. Does that make sense? Val or Giulietta, do you understand?
Yes, I did.
Okay, perfect. Good, and I think we're all set here. Let's go to the next page. And let's have Anna Carolina. Can you read the role of the teacher?
Teacher, you are collecting math homework. You wonder if the students even knew the topic of the homework, multiplication, division, etc.
Good. Homework.
Homework.
Yeah, so we don't ever pronounce that E. That E is silent. Homework. Um, but good. Nicely done. And Julieta, can you read the role of the student?
You don't have your math homework. Make excuses.
Good. And so let's start with Ana Carolina. Can you play the role of the teacher, and what would you say first?
I, my gosh. Hello, students. I I want to bring your homework. Your homework. Um, my gosh. Did I make a mistake?
No, I think you're okay. Maybe I want you to bring your homework.
I
And out.
I want to wow. Oh. What was my mistake?
Well, so we'd want to say who. I want you to bring your homework out. It's just the object. So who's going to bring it out? Does that make sense?
Um,
And then
who?
the prep.
Oh, students.
Hmm.
Okay.
And then the
Um,
preposition out.
okay. Um, did you do your homework? Was it difficult? Did you find it burdensome or a piece of cake?
Nice. Difficult, burdensome, or a piece of cake. And Julieta, how'd you respond?
Mm. I got sick yesterday. I had a strong stomachache.
A strong stomach. Good. Good pronunciation.
Well, young lady, you.
Sorry, Ana Carolina. We're gonna go to Val just so Val can get a chance.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm
No
sorry.
worries. Val, how would you respond?
Mm, let me see. Okay, can you bring it tomorrow? I want to check how much you're knowing about math.
How much you remember about math?
Okay.
Okay, that works, yeah. Um, and Saud, how's it going? Welcome to class. Okay, let's go, Ana Carolina. How would you respond as the student?
Am I the student now?
Yes.
Um, teacher, actually I did everything. I gave it my blood, sweat, and tears. It was well done, but my dog ate my homework. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Wow. It was well done, but my dog ate my homework. Good. Respond.
Sorry, teacher. Me or salt?
Excuse me?
Mm, nothing. I didn't hear you, so I was asking what did you say?
Uh, so, so yeah, just Julieta, are you there?
Yes, I'm here, but okay. I didn't
Sorry.
didn't hear you, so um
Okay.
okay. Uh, the teacher um mm, um I have no idea.
Okay. Maybe Val, do you know how the teacher might respond to this? So the student says, well, actually, I did everything. I gave it my blood, sweat, and tears. It was well done, but my dog ate it. How would you respond, Val?
Well, you could have done it.
You could have done it?
No, you could. I don't know how to say. I'm thinking about telling the student to repeat their exercise, redone it. I don't know if that's a
Ah,
word.
you can redo it.
You can redo it. Okay.
Okay, good. And Saud, how's it going?
I'm fine, thank you.
Nice, good to hear that. And sorry about the late start, Saud. That was totally my fault. Welcome in. Well, how's it going? David, are you there?
Hi, Joshua.
Okay, maybe it'll be him. Oh, hey, how's it going?
I'm doing
Thanks for
well.
coming in.
Yes,
Okay,
thank you.
all right. And Ana Carolina, how would you respond if you were the student? Ana Carolina?
I'm sorry. Teacher, it's not fair. I already did it.
Nice.
Um, you are very, you are being very demanding. Do everything over and over again. I had, well, it wasn't my fault if my dog ate my homework. Why don't you believe in me?
Homework. I don't. Why don't you believe me? So, who can tell us the difference between believe in me and believe me? Does
I'm
anybody?
sorry. I, I, I I got it. Believe in me uh, is to believe that you are capable,
Huh?
that you have a great future, and believe you is believe that you are telling the truth.
Uh-huh. Good. Perfect. Really good job. All right. And Saud, do you think you could respond as the teacher? How would the teacher respond?
Mm, if I didn't the homework,
Excuse me?
if I didn't do the homework,
The teacher's responding, and she doesn't think that the student did his homework,
mhm,
or he doesn't think.
okay. If I a teacher, if
Yes.
I a teacher, okay. Uh, okay. If I'm a teacher, uh, who was not do the homework, uh, I will let them write the homework 10 times.
Oh man. Okay. Um, so I think that would be good. I think you've missed a bit of the conversation too. Um, so the student complains that it's not fair. The student already did it. Says the teacher's being too demanding, and why don't you believe in me? Maybe Giulietta, how do you think you'd respond here?
Mm. So you can come to the board and do this equation for me.
Nice. Really good answer. David, how would you respond?
Sorry, Joshua, I didn't pay attention. Um, sorry.
No worries. Maybe Val, how would you respond?
Sure, teacher. But I'm not very sure if I'm going to do well the equations you're proposing me to.
I'm going to do well the equations you're proposing me to. We change this around a little bit. Proposing me to. Maybe we would reorder this part of the sentence. So how could you reorder that, reorganize it?
But I'm not sure if I'm going to do the equations accordingly. I don't know.
Yeah, you could say that. You could also say, so I'm not going to do the equations you're proposing well.
Okay.
So we could add this and have well at the end. You could also say, I don't know if I'm going to do well on the equations you're proposing. Going to do well on the equations you are proposing. So yeah, just it depends if you want to put a preposition or not. But you did a really good job. That sounds great. Let's move on. Does anybody have any questions on this page? Okay. And so this is good. Okay. Let's, I think we can, yeah, let's try this. And let's start with David. Can you read the role of the little boy? And Saud, can you play the role of the tiger?
Okay, Joshua. I am Calvin, right?
Yes.
Here is another math problem. I can figure out what is 9 plus 4.
Oh, that's a tricky one. You have to use calculus and imaginary numbers for this.
Imaginary numbers?
You know, 11, 11, 30, 12, and all those. It's a little confusing at first.
How did you learn all this? You've never even gone to school?
Instinct tigers are born with it.
Good. Instinct.
Instinct.
Good. And tigers are born with it. Born. Can you repeat born?
Born.
Uh-huh. And
Born.
David, how did you learn all this? How did you learn all this?
How did you learn all this?
We want to emphasize you. So how did you learn all this?
How did you learn all this?
Yeah. So this
Okay.
is, it's something we do. We need to emphasize you because it's kind of accusatory. You're almost blaming the person. So yeah, you don't expect them to know it. The other one, Saud, calculus. Calculus.
Calculus.
Yeah, calculus.
Calculus.
This is a tricky one. A tricky one.
Tricky one.
A tricky one. Something like that. Good. And other than that, you guys did a great job. Does anybody have any questions on this page?
No, actually, it's clear. And I like your way to show us the syllables, which is stress and unstressed one in the word.
Thanks. Thank you. And okay, Anna Carolina, can you explain what's happening here? What's happening in the comic?
Well, um, Kelvin is a little boy who has a huge imagination, and the tiger is his imaginary friend. um, he he doesn't know how to figure out the problem, the math problem, and well, um, the tiger just gave him an answer um, to make it seem more difficult than it really is.
Hmm.
That's the joke.
Yeah.
Because he doesn't know anything.
Doesn't know anything maybe about math. Just to clarify.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah,
About math.
he's pretty smart generally. Uh, but yeah, he's not the greatest at math. Uh, Good. That was really good. You did a good job with your pronunciation as well as your complete sentences. The grammar is very good in those sentences. Okay, and I would continue. I do have another class right after this, and I don't want to start that one late. So if you guys want to join my next class, feel free to jump right in. I'm again really terribly sorry about this class and how it was cut short. But thanks for coming in. It was a pleasure. Really nice to meet you, Val. Um, and yeah, see you guys soon, hopefully.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.